Hey, how are you guys doing tonight? I'm gonna keep the intro nice and simple. We're just doing a liquid sounds video today, and I'm going to cover the microphone with this plastic bag at some point, and make some pretty aggressive like spraying sounds on it. All right. So without further ado, also before we get completely started, thank you guys so much for 2,300 subs. That's huge. You guys are huge. So thank you. So without that, or wait, no, not without that. What do I want to say? With all that out of the way, let's make some sounds. Oh, also, I don't recommend doing this, but just for the time being, I stopped my really loud fan, so it shouldn't be a problem anymore. At least not right now. I do plan on getting it actually fixed, but it could possibly be a fire hazard. But you gotta risk it to take the right shot. That was a dumb joke. It even was a joke. Anyways, this makes a very like thick, viscous sound. Also, to the dude that was helping me out in the comments, he wrote probably like two like full 5-on paragraph essays to me in the comments. Thank you for the help. I am definitely considering getting one of those adapters now, just so I can also record on my phone. So I had to make sure that I got these 3 in the shot. I don't know. You guys tell me what you guys think about this setup. I quite like it. But I am obviously willing to adjust it. I'm keeping the the lights kind of dim. Because I don't want to, I don't want to flashbang you guys in the middle of the night. Get the back of the microphone too. Also, if there's like something that I need to do to get like the left, right, like front, back audio, let me know. I've just got it on this pattern right now, which makes it more like a podcast or whatever. So like most of the sound is in the front. But there's if there's other ways to do that, then let me know. So I've got a lot of triggers here today. So I'm planning on making quite a long video. Let me go turn down my heat real quick. It's blasting me. Alright, that should be better. Somebody was just asking for mic scratches. May as well just put that in there too. see how it sounds before I make like a big video on it. I feel professional right now with all this like equipment in front of me. They're really professional. Alright. Move on since we have so many triggers tonight. This is the next trigger. Let's see. It looks like it's a wood polish. Sweet. This one's a lot more thin compared to the last one. It's quite a difference. And I will be getting that triggers video out very soon. Very soon. Also, someone was asking in the comments for mouse sounds. I'm not like the biggest fan, but I for sure will do it. Let me know if that's what you guys want. Because obviously not everyone's gonna read the comment and see that he commented for that, and I replied, if more people like ask me for it, I for sure will do it. But I probably won't just make a video on it. I could even start a poll for my next video. I'm happy to do anything. Okay, that was a little risky. And I'm definitely gonna have to edit that out. It's funny, whenever I hit the microphone, it never turns out being as loud as I thought it'd be. You open this. I don't want to accidentally spray it. Okay, that's how you open it. Okay. Also, sorry for having comments off in the last video. I don't know how that happened. I don't know. Just happened. Also, live ASMR. Do any of you guys have any interest in that? Because I'm recording on OBS, so I can always go live to YouTube. Like, I could literally go live at this moment right now if I wanted to. I don't know if I'm ready for that yet, though. Okay. This is the next trigger. Okay, it's mirrored. It's hard to I keep doing it. It's gonna focus on that. Yeah, there we go. Waterproofing. Wet weather. Okay, so this is for like rain jackets and that kind of thing. It sounds a lot like the last liquid sound, but there's just more of it. It also sounds like it's getting foamy on the inside. Okay, it kept foamy, so we're gonna have to put this one away. And let's see. Why don't we whip out the Windex? I'm not sponsored by Windex. Wish I was. Makes a nice Windex sound. I got a feeling it's also gonna get foamy. Okay, you know what? Here. I'll make a poll right now. That is what my next video should be. Text poll. Let's do. Yeah. Hmm. I'm trying to think. Yeah, what about hmm. All right. So I've just created the post. You guys go vote on that. I will be waiting. This makes quite the interesting sound once it's all foamy. Some high pressure in there too. It's got barely any liquid left. I watched Moana again today as I was cleaning the house. I think that's gotta be one of my favorite Disney movies. It's so good. You can't even tell me otherwise. It's so good. Anyways, if you guys are interested in chatting with me, then I've got a Snapchat that I made a little bit ago just for the channel. It's just my YouTube name. You should find me. Yeah, if you guys ever have like questions or requests, you can always ask me there too. Keep in mind, I'm definitely going to be doing a Q&A soon. So, if you want your question replied to in a video, then you might want to save it. Alright, let's move on. I really debated bringing this into a video. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it says red wine vinegar. Yeah. Oh, come on. Makes pretty nice sound stuff, so. Okay. I'm not bringing it into the video because it is leaking. And it is not in my best of interest to have this leak all over me. So then, I think the next trigger is this, which is my grandma's special cleaning product. It's just white vinegar with distilled water. And it's in a bottle, obviously. Okay, this is also leaking on me. Trying to see where from. If it's okay. So I've just emptied the spray part of it. I really should have tested a few more of these. Okay, where is it leaking from? How has this become full again? Yeah, so I've had Moana music playing through my head all day. Not that I'm complaining. Oh, and then, so I don't have control over monetization yet. I put in the request like a week and a half ago, and they still haven't made me a Google AdSense account yet. So that's still happening. Just saying. So I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for a reply on that, and then I'll have control over monetization. Okay. I think that's enough liquid leaked from this bottle. So then, we're gonna bring this guy back. This guy makes good sounds. I'm hungry. I'm very hungry right now. It's only okay, no, you can only just see my desk, but it's pitch black out there. And it's only 6:15 right now. Which is nuts. Why is it gotta be so dark so early? And it's been dark for like a long time now too. Like a good hour and a half. Also, someone explained to me how a P.O. box works. I want to try to figure that out. So you guys can send me triggers and that type of thing. I think that could be fun. mean, I don't know why I keep making myself laugh. I don't know what I'm like. I don't even know what I'm laughing at. Just laughing. I'm laughing because I have no reason to laugh. You know what I mean? I'm laughing because I'm laughing for no reason. If that makes sense. It's like a vicious cycle of laughing. You know what I mean? Just making sure that my laptop isn't like blazing right now. It's actually okay. Get up all close. Alright. I hate that sound. I hope you guys know I will never I'll never intentionally do that. It sounds so awful to me. It's so bad. It's so bad. I'm making myself tired. Ugh. I actually despise it. If you guys do like it, let me know. And I'll do it a little more. If you don't, I definitely won't be doing it. It's not my trigger though. The like doing just doesn't do it for me. I don't know. Okay. Ooh, I also wanted to do a mic blowing excuse me, my bad. I also want to do a mic blowing video. Because those are also really nice to me. I don't know. I really like it. I keep wanting to do it because it's so interesting. Just being able to tap it here and then making the noise come here. Sorry. My bad. Did not mean to hit the microphone once again. Okay, so got three different spray bottles here. 2 of them are new. I've used this like twice or 3 times now on the channel because I really like the noises from this. But these also. Make really nice noises, not to mention the sprays. Are really, really nice. So I'll shake them around for like 2 minutes each and then do some spraying. This one was some orange cleaner. Concentrated orange cleaner. So again, let me know if you guys have any ideas about my lighting, or if you want it dimmer or brighter. It's up to you guys. Well, it's up to me, but I'll hear you guys out. Okay, let's move on to this one. Makes a bit of a deeper one, a deeper shaking sound. I think there's more liquid in it. think this is literally just a spray can that was bought. Okay, it doesn't want to focus on it, but it says a plastic bottle spray. That's all it says. Can we take that off? Okay, or not. It really does not want to come off. Alrighty. The last one. Alright. So then, I'm going to turn this part of the video down a lot. Because it's going to be really loud otherwise. And fair warning, this is quite aggressive. So I don't have very big spray bottles, obviously, aside from those, but I don't want to spray Windex and vinegar water all over the place. This stuff smells awful. It's just water left in there, but there's like tiny bit of probably the orange stuff. It smells so bad. Okay, that was really loud. I'm sorry. Okay, I think that was also really loud right there. All right. Just to make it smell a little better, we're gonna get this guy. Okay. Oh. This stuff coated the plastic. Okay. I'm gonna make this quiet again. All right. Hope you guys somewhat enjoyed that part. The last trigger is what I think is one of your guys' favorites. Let me pull it out. Here it is. Just a water bag. Make our thumbnail real quick. Oh, okay. Snorlax obviously has to be up for it. What if I do something like? Okay, that was dumb. Okay, wait. I'm gonna make it quiet real quick. Okay. What, is this side better? Okay. There we go. And it's kind of embarrassing keeping that in there, but whatever. Okay. I'm gonna make it quiet again. Unless that wasn't that loud, that could have just not been that loud. If you guys are new here and you're wondering what the hell this is, just some water in a Ziploc bag. But some of the water that was in the first Ziploc bag leaked down into the second. So now it's like double layered. This is what's on the outside and that's what's on the inside. It's pretty cool if you ask me. Let's see if I can coordinate myself enough to do this. All right. That right there for now. Anyways, I really go. What did I just say? I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Sleep well or study on. If you guys made it this far into the video and you're trying to sleep, I'm sorry. I'll get you next time. And have a good night.